You've seen the multi-billion-dollar coffee industry. You've seen the company, Organo Gold. And hopefully by now you've tasted the product. But what we want to show you now is the business of Organo Gold. A business that is literally changing people's lives, one cup at a time.
This is huge. This is really huge.
It's changing people's lives.
This is what we call the lifestyle, the #1 lifestyle in the world.
I don't really consider it work. This is simply fun.
The Organo Gold's business model is simple. Instead of selling our products in stores or through traditional advertising like TV or radio, we empower people like you to become representatives, and it's working.
The simplicity of sampling is what it starts with. Everybody that I know of that I brought into the business, they start off with a sample.
Giving it away has been one of the best things that I've seen to fuel my business.
People always ask what I do, and I just ask the simple question.
Do you or anyone you know drink coffee or tea at least occasionally? 100% of the answers are yes.
The second question that we're asking is, what is your favorite brand?
You ask them where do they normally purchase their coffee? Starbucks, King Soopers, whatever the place may be.
The ultimate question, when's the last time Folgers or Starbucks or whatever brand that she loves sent you a check for drinking their coffee?
4 simple questions that are causing a revolution, not only in the coffee market, but also in the home-based business world. 4 simple questions that are creating the Organo Gold lifestyle, the #1 lifestyle in the world.
We work real hard, but you know what? We also play real hard.
Now we're living the real lifestyle.
Today, our life is extremely different.
Just having all the things that I've always dreamed about come from coffee in just 2 years. I mean, I'm still waiting for somebody to pinch me.
It's true. Organo Gold is the #1 lifestyle. And if you are watching this, you could be a part of it.
The success in any business is in the beginning stages when it's not a household name.
If we just penetrate 1% of the marketplace, we recognize that that's about $125 million a month of coffee sales. That's about 2.5 million customers that we'll have just in North America now consuming our coffee. And so that's what our goal is.
I say 1% is not a little. Say no, it's 255 million people drink coffee every day. 1%.
The product sells itself. It's coffee.
Easy, simple coffee.
And the best part about the Organo Gold business model? Not only is it simple, not only is it proven, but it pays 7 ways. 7 different ways to earn income.
The first way that we get paid is retail. One of the things that I look for anytime that you're looking at a business, and one thing I suggest that you look for is this product retailable? Can people make money and stand on the product alone?
The second way we get paid is the bonus, Fast Start bonus, which is a real quick way to get some right now money in your pocket.
And the third way is a dual team, and this is very strong, and it's where you introduce at least 2 people to the business, and now you're paid off of their efforts and the people that they bring in their efforts.
The fourth one is the unit level, the passive income, or residual income. Like many companies that they sell wholesale, retail, and different businesses, we develop a network of consumers and distributors. Every time they buy coffee, every time they buy chocolate, tea, or any other products, we will receive continuous income out of one-time effort.
The 50th way we get paid, this is huge, matching bonuses. It's not like your job. You go to work, you help somebody, whatever, and you don't get paid matching bonus on that check. But here with Organo Gold, you help somebody make money on residually. If they earn maybe $100,000 for that month, you're gonna get paid a matching bonus of 20% of your personals.
The 6th way is a generational leadership bonus, and that encourages people to develop their leadership skills, to build large organizations that expand throughout the globe or throughout their city or state or province or country and even around the world. And finally, the 7th way to earn income is the global bonus pool, and we put that into place to encourage everyone to work together.
7 ways to get paid. A huge industry and market, all in a business that you own and can run from home, on your schedule, around your family, on your terms.
This training is one of the best training I ever had. It's really world-class training, actually. It's the best of the best.
The training is awesome. Just the leadership right there we have in Organo Gold is second to none.
The training that we receive, I would say, is top-notch.
You can't miss it. I mean, if you're qualified to attend an event, you should never, ever, ever miss an event that you're qualified to attend.
And getting started, it's simple. You can begin your OrganoGold career for as little as $49.95. Or if you're really ready to build, we have a proven system and plan that will get you in business fast with our bronze, silver, or gold pack.
There's 3 different packages you can choose from. The bronze pack, it comes with coffee and products wholesale and a 10% commission on your dual team, maximizes at $500 a week.
The second one, which is the silver pack, and now you've got enough product to start your business.
The smartest way to get started in our company is the gold pack, without a doubt. It gives you the most benefits. If you're going to work, get paid the max that the company would pay you, number one. The other thing is you need all of the product that comes with that gold pack to get your business started.
See, on OrganoGold, you can walk into a meeting of 200 people, 300 people and ask, hey, listen, does anybody have coffee that they're willing to sell me? And not one person will sell you their coffee because it's too hard for them to keep themselves.
Or what you find yourself is doing is paying extra shipping because you're going to be buying more product because you're going to need it. So to save yourself on the cost of reordering product and to get the max for your efforts in the start of the business, get started at the Gold Pack.
Because it is our mission to help you succeed, to help you enjoy the #1 lifestyle that is OrganoGold, we offer real, proven, effective training. And whether you are brand new to home-based business or a seasoned pro, our OrganoGold training will take you to the next level.
OrganoGold provides freedom to do whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do.
The next step? It's easy. Just talk to the person who showed you this program and pick the product pack that makes the most sense. Then, it's a simple, proven process.
When you talk about becoming a product of the product, our first goal when a person joins the business is not for them to go recruit the world. We want them to really believe in the product.
Number 2 is we want you to create a list. 2 lists, a list of coffee drinkers, 50 coffee drinkers that you know of, 50 opportunity seekers that you know of, because that's what we look for. People who drink coffee, people who still have dreams and goals.
3 is simply set up 4 coffee and jazz mixers. And that's just simply a meeting of people just coming by your house or your office to sip some coffee, to try out the product, to mix and mingle. We call them coffee and jazz mixers.
And we say plug into our system for 18 months and your life can be changed.
That's it. That's the formula for success. That's the plan that everyone on this video followed. A plan that is proven and absolutely changing lives. So what are you waiting for? Make the decision to get started today. Join us. Start your own exciting OrganoGold home-based business and get in on the ground floor of the coffee revolution. Discover a proven company with an exclusive, delicious product that is easy to share. And make this the decision that puts you in the #1 lifestyle. Welcome to OrganoGold.